In this tutorial, we will create a Google query to find business websites and collect their links for Website Scanner. Unlike the previous query, we are not limiting our search to Instagram or another social platform. For this example, we want to find websites belonging to boutiques and fashion stores in Dubai. Start with the business categories. Boutique or fashion store. The quotation marks help Google match these business types more accurately, while or allows either category to appear. Next, add the target location. Dubai. Now, add phrases commonly found on business websites. Contact us or about us or WhatsApp or +971. These terms can help Google find websites containing contact pages or publicly available business information. Finally, exclude social networks and other results we do not need. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, YouTube, Threads. The complete query will look like this. Boutique or fashion store, Dubai, contact us or about us or WhatsApp or +971, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, YouTube, Threads. Now press enter. Before collecting anything, review the results and confirm that Google is showing relevant business websites. You may still see directories, articles, or other unwanted pages. Continue excluding irrelevant domains until the results mostly contain the business websites you want. You can also use Google's Tools menu to filter the results by time or select a custom date range. Once the results are ready, open Business Contact Extractor. Select Collect Websites from this page. The extension will collect the website links from the visible Google results without requiring complete contact information to appear in the search snippets. After the first page is collected, move to the next Google Results page, and select Collect Websites from this page. Continue through the relevant result pages until you have collected all the website links you need. Repeated website links are automatically detected, helping you avoid adding the same domain multiple times. When you are finished, select Open Website Scanner. Your collected website links will be ready for scanning. Review the list and remove any directories, social platforms, articles, or unrelated websites that you do not want to scan. You can also paste additional website links manually, with one link placed on each line. Choose the delay between scans, then start the website scanner. The scanner will visit each public business website and search relevant pages for available email addresses, phone numbers, WhatsApp links, and other business contact information. This workflow allows you to discover businesses through Google first, collect their website links in bulk, and then use Website Scanner to build more complete contact records.